Alright, good morning. Good morning, everybody. We about to be starting the line work. This is a 3 round line that we about to be using. Alright, y'all, still using the 3 round line now. As you see, we almost finishing up on the name. We're doing all this line work at 6.5 volts. And y'all know it's already a 3 round line now. These bulb pins I'll be using now. More sharper, get the ink in there smooth. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to do the little shading. Just the light tone with a 15 curve mag ball pen with the mass archer. With a little shade around it. So it all can kind of tie in. And repeat that, yep, realism has no hard line. But the names, that's the only thing that's going to be hard. Appreciate you hopping in for the G-Hash. Alright, y'all, we about to start working towards the hair. This is a little hair right here. We're going to go a little bit at a time. And we're still currently using the 15 curve mag. We'll go around the name first. And we're working at 6 volts. For those that don't know, 6 volts. Alright, y'all, we about to go ahead and hit these nails with light tone. Just start structuring this out with the 7 curve mag. I'm going to use the contrast from the shirt to structure out this nail right here. Well, both of them that's on top of the shirt. So the shirt is darker and the nail is light, so I'm going to use that dark to shape them out. Alright, we softly building up these hands. Start with our lights. The lightest of lights. Slowly layering it in. Alright, y'all. So I grab my 3 round liner again. And we about to go into like a medium tone to structure the hands out. I'm structure them out with the 7 curve mag. I'm gonna go back with the medium tone and slightly hit it just to help them stand out a bit. And see how I'm like slightly shading it. I'm not trying to pull a line. I'm going to structure it out, no hard line. And basically, so once it heals, the fingers and stuff will still be showing, separated. So you guys can see that they're fingers and they all blend together. Alright, y'all, so now we're about to start on the little here. And then use these dots to structure out this part of the wrist. Of course, that skin tone not as dark as this there. So, we're going to take advantage of the contrast. Alright, so what we're doing now, we just blocking our blacks. Darkest areas of the hair, and then we softly blend them out. Adding our lights. Sometimes I do it the opposite way. Knocking my own lights and then go with the black, but by this hair being like dark already. I ain't worried about going too light first. Start with the medium tone and then build up to a black. Alright, so we about to go in with the 7 curve mag and just press it against the side of the face because the hair right there. And sometimes if it's not tight enough, I'll go back with the liner and slowly fill it in. Alright, so now I'm about to hit the texture in the hand. We switched over to the Zion machine with 3.5 stroke, same thing, 6.5 volts. Alright y'all, so now I'm about to go in with the lights in the face using the 15 curve mag. This is our extra light tone. Brush up against the chin. Brush up against the chin. Slowly building it up. Alright y'all, so we can switch it to the 7 curve mag. I'm gonna use my light tone just to start building up the lips. And then I'm gonna go back in the middle of the lips and darken that up. You know, the middle is always darker. For the 2 top lip and the bottom lip meet. I always try to go with the shape of the lip curving or coming down like that. Let's say you always go with your shape of your object, whether if it's curving, flat, you know, go with that shape. Alright, so I done filled them out with the 7 curve mag. Now I'm going to take this 3 round and kind of structure out the outer side of the lips. But it's just a light tone, so it's going to kind of blend in, but I want it to be sharp. I don't want it to feel like it's blurred out. I'm going back in, tighten it up with the 3 round. And I might catch any details also in the lip, which I ain't going to try to catch too much because it's so small. But this is just a light tone on top of the extra light. To help it stand out. Alright, and for the nostrils, I'm going to use my medium tone with the 3 round liner. I'm going to block it in. Never go like straight for black unless you know it's definitely for black, but inside the nostril, it's not just no black spot. It's dark towards the top of the nose, but it gets light as it comes down towards the bottom of the nose. And coming back with our lightest tone, softly structuring the nose out, we don't want it hard. Alright y'all, see how we built the bridge of that nose? Now we're going to come back with the light tone on top of this extra light tone. We'll do the letter dimension. So that it's not really flat. Slowly pulling it in. Alright, now we're going back to the 7 curve mag. Straight black. So you see that hair right there? Got structure out this side of the face. Press it against the side of the head. And use the head to structure out the face. Alright y'all, just like that right there. I'm about to use the 1 round liner for the eyelashes. About to do my eyelashes. Okay.
I ain't even call components of the car. I'm leaving. He ain't gonna want me to leave.
Whatever you gotta do to make your life better. I ain't gonna tell you not to. Stop scratching me.
I'm about to use the medium tone for the eye. It's not the eyelash, it's like the eyelids. Yeah, I couldn't get the words out.
All I had to do was visit that.
For the eyelids, medium tone. Alright, this is how I do the hair, y'all. You know it's dark. This is where the hair curve. Where it curl over. It's gonna be a little dark underneath that, so I'm about to start with the part that's connected to the scalp. I hit it with the 7 curve mag first, then I'll come back and tighten it with the 3 round liner. So remember, you don't want it to be like a line, you want it to be soft. And you gotta remember to do the extra filling overall to make it still feel like it's hair, not like it's just the scalp, you know. Basically fill it in. Alright, now I'm about to take my lightest light with the 3-round liner. I'm gonna touch around his eye. And for that inside part of the eye, I'm gonna put that in. Also the eyeball, or the iris of the eyeball. Lightly tap that in there. Alright, y'all, we just doing the letters. And with the 3-round liner, until we get all the words right. 3-round. Right now, yep, still at 6.5 volts throughout the whole tattoo on my liner and my shader. The way I was able to do it on my liner, because just the Ambition Ninja, it hit hard. You know, if I had it on my shader, yeah, it wouldn't have been doing nothing. So I usually run like 7 volts on this machine here. Alright, y'all, we decided to put some red in the hair. This time I'm using a soft hitting machine because we already went over the skin. We didn't prep the skin for the color. So I'm going to go over the soft hitting and softly blend it in. This 3-prong 2-stroke machine. Zion FKI. Like I said, the purpose of me going using a soft shader, because we had already hit the skin, it was worked up. So I ain't want to work it up more than it was. I just basically added some soft reds in there. Not trying to saturate it all the way, because I ain't want to overwork the skin. Alright, we turn the machine down, 5.5. And slowly like kind of raise across it, as if you're doing some stippling. Slowly let it pack itself in now. Alright, y'all, we doubling back with a little touches with the 3-round liner. And then the iris, eyes. Let it pop out.